Hello friends, this is Mila Neha Junsu. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm reviewing Etude House Happy with Piglet Jelly Mousse Blusher. Who would not want to be cute and pink like Piglet? This special Disney collaboration gives us a soft blusher featuring multiple Piglet expressions complete with his signature ears. It also claims that color series that brighten your skin tone naturally. Put a moderate amount with fingers or blush. Of course, it's the year of the pig. Many companies came out with their pig collections. The packaging is so cute. I bought PK001 Gloomy Piggy shade from their 5 shades. It has a surprising reaction. The packaging is sturdy plastic that contains 2.5 gram of blush. The piglet's face is in 3D. PK001 is a bright strawberry pink color. The shade name, expiration date and other things are mentioned on the bottom of the blush. The ears are made of silicone with the ring attached to the blush. The blush texture is drier than a cream and more on jelly side than a powder. Just like a putty. The pink color is sheer that has soft finish with silky texture. It is easily blendable that gives a natural flushed look. So here I am with all the makeup and without blush. So let's test it. The blush is blending nicely into the skin. It does not move my foundation and turns into this sheer soft pink color. You definitely need few layers if you want more color in your cheeks. So now let's try it with the brush. My cheeks don't have much color in it, so it will be a good idea, right? So with the blush, it definitely applies more, but the cream or the jelly part of the blush gets stuck to the bristles, which I did not like. The blush looks ugly after the brush application. It looks so pretty and soft on my cheeks. I'm totally loving it. I love applying blush on my nose ever since I was a kid. So overall, I think the blush is nice because it is a natural blush, but you need to build the color. Now this is a pro and a con as well. I will rate it 4/5 and will recommend this to people who are looking for a natural blusher. Do you like this blush? Which part did you like the most? This is Mila Neha Junsu signing off. Bye!